Good. We go back. Copy.
All right, all right, all right, all right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday to everybody. What it do, what it do? Welcome back to another trading day. 10:30. 208 days straight. We doing it. We're cruising now. We on automatic now. I think we on automatic after 150. Halfway through. Yeah. We here. We here. Absolutely. Thank you. Welcome, everybody in the Zoom here. Take a minute for everybody to get in here. Get in here and come on in. Enjoy the trades. Dave, let's send you an email. You got it? With the virtual. Something another a new thing that they're using. Oh, that what it was? No, I just forwarded to you. Oh, that was you. Yeah. Let's see what it's about. Should be there. Yes. Yeah. Create one that you have for that. What we use for that. Good morning. Woo! Market is all over the place. Welcome, YouTubers. Thank you, Mark, for putting those in there. Man, you on it today.
Yeah, I am, my brother. Can you pin the link to the
Wow.
Zoom?
Man, you on it.
That's what this does to you, the Java juice.
Yeah. Who we got in the building today? Jester,
We got Gregster
Gregster.
and Tobias.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Gregster, did you have your mic fixed, or can you see where you can chat?
I see a chat talk in there. Yeah. Somebody's left something in the chat.
Morning. Yep. Yeah. Good morning, team. Okay, we got the chat working for you, Gregster. You should pick up a microphone and join in the voice area when you get a chance.
What's going on, man? NVIDIA, I don't know what's going on in NVIDIA.
It's just teeter-tottering right there at the 34, the 415. 34. Around there.
Don't want to break. That's VWAP there. Don't want to break it.
Well, that's because the SPY stopped and the SPY's coming back up too. But it didn't stop Tesla from going down.
Next one will be over the top on NVIDIA. What a great trade. WBC. WBC is having a hard time here. WBC. It's gonna fall now. To go to the VWAP, WBC. Yeah, WBC.
Hey, good morning. This is Gregster. How are you today?
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Gregson. Glad to see you got your mic.
Yeah, the mic's working today because I switched to a laptop because the other computer is not cooperating. But this is my second day. I was observing on Friday. Thank you for all your help with Zoom. Apparently, it was probably the Zoom software on my end because I changed the computer and it's working.
Okay.
I'm very impressed with you guys, especially Steven, your channel, and watch your videos on YouTube. And I have to say that you are the man killing all those stocks.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Hey, listen, I'm trying to just be bringing something to people that unaware of what I do, okay? And
Right.
I'm trying to change the narrative, okay? People say it's hard. It is hard. You got to put the time in, okay? I've put the time in. And here I am. I'm trying to guide anyone that's willing to go on the journey, guide them through that process with the help of emotion, with the help of patience, and just seeing what the chart given us, okay? Tuning out the noise and just kind of dial in on what is in front of you. And that's what my mission is, trying to help everyone to try to build generational wealth through what I've learned. And
Yeah,
it's going to take some time. And, you know, if you're willing to go through the process, like anything else, that's what you have to do. You have to commit to it.
Just few words about myself. I've been trading for roughly 4+ years, and mainly like small caps. You know, the runners, hot news, and stuff like that.
Okay.
But I really like the way that you trade because it's so simplistic and very laid back, and that's what I need in my life at this moment. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna be observing, and if you guys don't mind, I can put hot tickers and runners in the chat on the Zoom or on Discord, whichever is better for you.
Yeah.
I have 3 different scanners. I'm in different rooms, so I see the market in like very broad spectrum.
Okay.
So I'm just willing to help you guys and everybody else, and just make a green day at the end of the day.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We on day number 208 straight right now. And
All right. Wow, that's impressive. That's impressive.
you know, so we here, man. We here, and I appreciate you coming in and stopping by and give whatever insight you could give. Much appreciated, you know, because we all in this together. You know, if you see something that I don't see, you know, let's look at it, and we could always make a setup and try to take some money from the market. That's
100%. I'm gonna be going because I have an appointment for 2 hours, but I'll be back and I will help out, of course. I appreciate your welcome, and I will do my best to help out the team as well. No problem.
Yeah, no problem. I'll do my best to try to give you guys some beautiful setups, man. You know?
Oh, you're doing it already, brother. Oh, you're doing it, and some.
Thank you. I appreciate
Hey, listen, is this your little music note on the bottom? This is my screen that's jumping up on the red.
No, that's Zen's.
Yes.
That's his. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's his. Okay. All right. I'll go silent and watch the market. If I see any runners, I'll post. And I said I'm gonna be back in roughly 2 hours because I have a doctor's appointment, and I'll try to help out.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Appreciate you. That's awesome, man. Love it. Love it.
Trading 4 or 5 years, man. He recognizes your talent, my brother. He can see it. Everybody can see it.
I'm just trying to give the best that I could give, you know. I'm not here to rumble on about this, that, or the other. I'm just here to make sure that what is it that you're coming in here for, I could accomplish that for you.
Yep.
You want to leave this market on a green day? I can accomplish that. Accomplished it for 208 days so far. So I know that it can be done. Are you willing to be educated to take it on? Man of the hour,
Well, look who we have from his hotel room.
Mr. Yasin.
Direct from his hotel room. You in Texas, Yasin? You got to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good day to you all.
There he is.
Good day, good day.
Hmm.
Chat, you just let me know what's going on in the chat on Zoom, Mark, please.
Yep.
Welcome, welcome, YouTubers. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, let you know when I'm going live. Like right now, I'm live on the Zoom. I got the link pinned up at the top in the chat. So if you want to join in, come on in. Come on in. And also hit that little heart emoji, whichever one you like, the happy face, the 100%, the smiley face, the celebration. Let everybody know, yeah, we are in the building. Yasin is in the building. Tobias is in the building. Gregster is in the building. Mark is in the building. And of course, the one and only, the Zen Trader is in the building. Better known as Stephen Reid. If you want to go back. You gotta have fun, man. Yasin, welcome, man.
Thank you.
You seems relaxed, man. Must be having a good time.
Yeah. I'm closing. I closed some of my puts on Enphase.
Okay.
Getting out of some of the stocks that I've
Enphase was
bought.
nice, man. Look at ON. Woo! She's
Yeah.
today, baby. Look at her go.
You're eating today, brother.
ON. 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 Wow. Sophie. I can't say enough about ON and EMPH. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that breakdown, brother. Across our first target, working on our second. Come on. Come on, Enphase. ENPH, it's in the game. WDC.
Target on ENPH. 76.
It needs to break 77.89 right now. Could see 76. WDC finally broke the VWAP. Thank you. Couldn't hold it. Man. NVIDIA? Yes, yes, yes. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Broke the VWAP. Here we go. Come on now. Here we go.
There she goes. There she goes.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Watching this ON here for some return here. 69.
Everything to the downside. Tesla, everything.
Oh, yeah.
Good, good, good. I hope you guys are shorting. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some out of ON right here.
When?
Let's take 3/4. So write that down, Mark. 8 on ON.
8. Okay, we got it.
Appreciate that. 3/4 out right now. Beautiful. That's pretty much the day right there. That's pretty much the day right there. Let's go. Boom. Successfully. Let's go to EMPH. Here it comes. Second target, right? Second target. We're gonna take 8 out. 8 out. 8 out. There you go. Hit our second target. Boom. Everything else is a history. It's a mystery. Beautiful. EMPH. ON. WDC, where are you now? Right here. We could take some. Let's take,
I missed on WDC. Can I take it still or?
it'd have to break WDC break under this 42. Yes, and the break of 42. I like it, the break of 42. With the stop loss above the VWAP here, that's how I would treat it.
What did they miss earnings?
Yeah, not sure, but I didn't look at the talk here for WDC.
Oh no, their earnings were actually better than expected. They were expected to lose $2.09. They only lost $1.76.
But you remember, man, what? We have already established what?
Yep.
Sell the rumor, buy the news. We now
Yep.
flip it.
Yep.
Buy the news and sell the rumor, right? So we flip it. We flip
Buy
it.
on bad news, sell on good news, and that's
Yeah.
what they're doing. They're
Yes.
selling
Yeah.
on the good news.
Yes. We established that. Can we get on that, man? Yeah. There you go.
Even
Yes, then WDC 42. You should be 25 cents in the money.
I
Bam.
didn't take it though.
No?
Why did you
No, I
ask?
haven't got my graphs in front of me. That's why I asked. Did we take it?
Yeah, that 25 cents in the money already. Boom.
Yep. That would have
There
been
you
it.
go.
Wait,
WDC.
comes some more ON. It's turned OFF.
Oh, Nvidia, she's going down, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm done with that.
Tesla is sinking.
Yeah. Everything is short right now.
Tesla's gonna be under 200.
EMPH trying to find bottom here. You could take another 100 out of EMPH. Let's do that. Let's put the stop loss here on EMPH. At the first. EMPH. Watch EMPH at 80 on the way back up, okay? Watch that level, 80. Let's do that. We already got that. 80. EMPH. Ooh, I almost got shut down here. Power up. Go. Power up. Here we go. At 80. Watch him. 80. All right. Watch that 80 coming up there. All right, good. EMPH at 80, we took another 100 out, and reversal, we're gonna go 80 above. If not, let her stay down here.
Yep, and keep your partial.
Keep partial. Oh, and keep going. Keep going, baby. Where she stop, no one knows. 18% down here. NVIDIA. Where are we on NVIDIA? There she go.
He's
Come
coming.
on.
He's still coming.
Make this shoulder right here. Make this shoulder right here. Come on.
On YouTube, it's not clear, Steve.
Play on YouTube.
Yeah, I first went on to YouTube. I saw you there,
Yeah, I'm here.
but
No.
numbers, the graph. I mean, the image is not clear. On Zoom is much better.
Yeah.
That's why we invite everybody over.
Yeah, I mean, it looks good from here. I mean, change your setting, see what setting you is on YouTube.
Yeah, it's not a crisp and dark screen.
Yeah,
That's
you
what
can
he's
do
saying.
it from 720 to 1080.
Mhm.
Johnny Fall, good morning. It's pretty clean, Andrew said. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate that. Welcome to YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday to everybody out there. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Share the live for me as well. I appreciate that. And hit the notification bell. Leave a comment. And guys, your comments are welcome. Appreciate you. Whatever you got to say, whatever you got to wants to look at, go ahead in the comment section. And also share the live for me. Let YouTube know that, yeah, we in the building. Yeah, we're making trades. Head and shoulder on NVIDIA. Come on. Head and shoulder. Come on NVIDIA. Let's go. Give us what we need. Right. ON still dropping, wants to come up here.
WDC is turning.
Watch that level here on a reversal on ON. Okay. ON. You know what? If it's trying to change its mind here, let's take another partial out of ON and give that back. Right now I'm rocking with partials, guys. Okay? Partials. Watch ON on this level here on the return here. 69.70. Watch that level. If not, she continue to go down. All right, Sophie, where we at with Sophie? Yep, come on down. 50 cents in the money. Break 7 and we good. Break 7 and we good. Closing that gap down here. Pre-market. This level right here. We need to close this gap right here. 695. Come on. If not, we'll take 3/4 out here. Let's take 3/4 out. Let's not give it back to the market because that's what we're here for. Right? Boom. Let's take that out. Easy does it, guys. Let it come to you. Let the market come to you. WDC, come on down. WDC needs to break down this level here, 41.60. And we're what? We're about an hour in.
The market, yep, almost exactly an hour.
About an hour into the day and pretty much done for the day, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes, you are.
that's it, how it's gotta be. Welcome, Omega. Good morning. Kenny, good morning.
Morning.
All right. EMPH, where we at? Still falling. Beautiful. You saw that break on EMPH?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So as it comes down, we're gonna look for a nice return here. 78.60. 78.60. See,
NVIDIA, I think it's done.
NVIDIA. Let's see where NVIDIA is. Okay, got to our target, right?
Yeah.
Got to our target. Got to our target. Now she needs to break this level here. That's another gap fill here. Okay. So,
Oh, she still wants to go down.
oh yeah, this is the gap fill right here. All right. That's where she needs to break. Let's get this. Let's get that out of there. Boom. Come on down. That's the gap fill here. It needs to break. And then back to the upside, we're gonna look for this level here on the video, right? We're gonna look for 411.50. We could get it at 411 and take it 50 cents early, like 411, and then a 50 cents, right? After 50 cents, you could add, or you could take your first partial 50 cents. There's nothing wrong with that. But 411.50 breaks that to the upside. You could take that as well. So you got two options. That's how I would play that. But right now, let you go. 411.50 would be the stop loss if you enter this level to the downside. Looking good. Everything looking good. Anybody see anything that wanna? See anything? Go ahead.
I think Zoom is reversing CME.
Which one?
Zoom,
Zoom?
ZOOM.
We got
What we use for streaming Zoom. CM.
COOM.
COOM.
C as in cat,
C as in zebra.
or Z as in zebra.
Zoom.
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry about that. COOM.
ZM. ZM. That's ZM.
ZM, that's the ticket number ZM.
Yeah, it's ZM. A little choppy here. What are we looking
I was on the 1 minute.
Huh?
I was on the 1 minute.
Okay. I trade 5 minutes. I trade in the 5-minute chart here. I don't see nothing with Zoom right now. 59 is a level it needs to break underneath here. That's the only thing I see short on the 59. And then there's a gap fill here on Zoom here. Get this gap fill here. This is what I would be watching. This is the gap fill here. So this is where I would be watching Zoom to come back up. See that gap fill there?
Sure.
Would have to enter here to come back up to fill this area here. And as you could see, the VWAP is coming down. So if the market change or the direction change, I will enter here and take it maybe, which is what? 59.30. You're looking at about 20 cents, 30 cents. Right here, 25 cents. With this level here on it. It breaks this level. 59.55. you're good to go on the way back up. So support here, bounce, breakthrough resistance here. Okay, from 59.30 to 59.60, that would be your profit window. Entry here, target. If it continue to run, then you move your stop loss, your entry back to your target entry, right? The stop loss from here to your entry. And
Right.
when that goes, you move your stop loss to your target and so forth and so forth. Okay? That's what I see on Zoom right now.
Okay. Are these gaps been built on the way out down or on the way back up?
Well, this will be the low. If it's gonna break down here, it's gonna go down. But right now, I don't see it going down right now. As you can see, it's forming a support here. This is a support area. Look,
Yeah.
on Friday, look where Friday is, and look where this morning is as it open up.
Yeah.
This is a
Thank you.
level of support here, so it has to break this to go down more. Okay, so this is where I would short it if it's gonna go right on to 59. My stop loss would be at the gap here at 59.30 and let it ride. Reversal, this is where I would enter, trying to fill the gap on the way back up.
You know,
On the way down, so I'll be watching for it on the way back up. And that's the only thing. I would just sit and wait. I wouldn't do anything. Let the stock come to you. And this is the end.
yes. Thank you.
And that's it. You don't do anything. Just let it develop. It only could go two ways now. Lower or reverse and fill the gap. Or stay within this channel here, right? Because it shows that this is the highest it wants to go before pre-market, right? And then it open up pre-market, this is the high now. Okay?
Yes.
So from here to the low, that's where you have a chance to execute some kind of trade. Depends on your trading style or your trading technique. Okay? For me, what I would do, I would wait to see any one of these level breaks first.
All right. Thank you.
And that's it. The market is really not doing anything right now. Let's see what the SPY is doing as we have a slowdown in the market. See? For 12.50. Let's get this out here so you can see here. This is a gap. And this is a gap.
Tesla is going down, Steve.
Gap still here. So, this here, right there. What you want to do? It needs to come down here and fill this gap. The furthest it could come down is at this 412, right? And anything on the 412, you will be able to capitalize on the SPY if it break down, back down, okay? But if not, it could use the 412 as a support level. Come on. Right here. We use that as a support level. Let's get that so you can see it. Support level, right? And then this is the level I would wait here. These two, I'm gonna do these two yellow lines here, so at least you could understand it. So this level here, for more downside, I'll break 412 to the downside target, right? to the upside. I will wait for it to break this level here, which is for 1390, 80, for 1380. That level here to the upside. Okay. And then just remember, you got to count on the VWAP coming down too. So you got to use the VWAP to come down and break through the VWAP. But for right now, let's see. We need a big spread in the market. It already came down and meet with the shoulder here already and break down. So back up now. We got a VWAP to deal with. All right. Get 412.50 out of here. Let's get that out. So 413.80 and 412. Okay. This is your profit window. 413.80. Target is 1491. You could put it at 415 at the top. Okay. 415. There you go. 15 target. All right. That's if you're trading the spot. Okay. You're going to enter here. 413. Boom. You're looking for almost 90 cents on that play. And the spot could give you that. The spot could give you $1. Okay. Even if you get 80 cents, 50 cents, I'll take that from the spot. Okay. With the right share size, you go with it. So it came back down, head and shoulder. Now you got to look and see what the market direction is going to be. Break this level, higher, target, right? From here, another entry, boom, another target. But look at the VWAP coming down. Make sure you're watching that level. VWAP bounce and rejected or break through VWAP and go higher. Not trusting the market. Okay? Yes, and you say Tesla, TSLA. She ain't coming back at the moment.
Uber is pushing V1. Potential
200 right here.
upside. Take this. Yeah.
See 201.50. 201.50. Let's set something up for Tesla. 201.50. So I would like 201.50. Right? This would be the target here. Okay. 200, she broke. Even better. Even better. Even better. 200. Even better. Even nice, even number on Tesla. It's going to be pretty coming back up at 200. Beautiful. What you were saying now? What stock?
Bias said in the chat, Uber closer to VWAP.
Uber. I got some rejection here. I would wait till the 42.70 on Uber to go higher. I would wait. We would have to get the VWAP first. We would have to get to VWAP, use the VWAP as support like it did right here, and then bounce higher through here. Okay? It has to come to VWAP. Use that VWAP as support. The next candle got to open up high. Okay? And get us to go low. But right now, 42. Wait till it drop on to 42. You could, yeah, 42.15, 42 short. $42 short on the Uber. I was gonna take people short, 42. You could get in earlier at 42.15. How to break this level here. Bang, down.
All right.
I don't see anything else really. Market direction, market volume, something happening right now in the market.
ENPH 7650.
ENPH, beautiful. Now we could move it down even better.
Check it out, ALGN.
I mean, 78 ENPH. Okay, nice. Get to this VWAP though. One eighty towards the VWAP. 80. 180. Stop loss would be the bottom here. I like it. Stop loss here. And our target is this level here. Okay, so from here, 180 to 182.70. That's how I would look at this here. Let's do the reversal here. Let's see if it could get through this 180. 176.40. Like that. That I like to go here. 180. You can watch that. 26 cents is the spread. $0.06 is the spread. 79.30. Keep an eye on your ZM, whoever is on the ZM. Yeah, I would like this trade here. The VWAP is 181, so that'd be almost a point and a half here. Let's see what happened here. You can watch that. 47 cents to go. Okay, I like this. We could get a buy here. Hold on. 21 cents to go. LGN. The spread is picking up. 80. Okay, I got 80, 85, 85, 85. 15 cents to go. Okay, 11 cents to go. Here we go. 11 cents. 12 cents. Can we get it? Can we get it? I just need to see 180. Okay, 180. Here we go. Here we go. ALGN. Stop loss is here. Let's see if we get to the VWAP here. Here we go. Boom. Nice.
Boom.
Beautiful. Okay. Boom. Okay. See what we got here. 40, picking up. 50. Come on. Come on. Let's go. 50. That's how many cents in already. Come on. Here we go. Come on. 90. 90. 180. Come on. One more. One more pop. Let's go. One more pop. One more pop. One more pop. Let's go. Come on. One more pop. One more pop. Here we go. Come on. One more pop. One more pop. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Yep.
Right there. Bam. Look at that, guys. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Give yourself applause for that one right there. There you go. There you go. Boom. See how that worked out, guys? Move your stop loss now up, right? My stop loss up now to that candle here. Okay. Or to right here. Right here. 79.13. Okay.
I think it's going to work.
179.13. 179.13. Doesn't get any better than that, my friend. Then get this out of here. All right. Now go to the VWAP. That's our target. All right. Remember resistance as well. We could use this resistance and the VWAP and reject it. But if it rejected, we get our profit already. We're not going to lose much, right? I'm taking care of the my loss here. So if it comes back down and I'm out 200, I just got what, 1,800 or so, right off that 3/4. Okay, let's see what we have here on ON. ON, and we're waiting for ON, right? ON. We want ON at 69.70. 68.70. Let's put 68.70.
So how about Tesla?
68.70. 68.70. 68.70.
Tesla above 200 now.
Okay, good, good. That's where you wanted to get it. That's what we talk about. I'm looking at this ON right here. Let me get another 100 out of ON while we're down here. All right, ON. Let's not get that all back here. And then at this level, I'll trade it to go back in to go long, and then you'll have 66.87 as stop loss. Okay, if it makes it. ON, OLG 81, ALGN, beautiful. Okay, so far. We didn't do anything for so far. Let's get so far back to this level here, and then we put 710. 710. If you see Tesla at 200, that's where you needed to get in. That's where I would take it. All right. Beautiful. WDC. Coming up right now. 42. 42 stop. It's right in that portion. Okay. All right, we're looking good. Let's go to Tesla, TSLA. Look at that. Look at that. That's your target. Let's see if she could hold. Build a momentum. We should be $1 in right now on Tesla. ZM. Anybody with ZM? ZM should be looking good too. Okay. ZM. Look at that, guys. When you know, you know, you know. Look at that. There you go. There you go. Your entry should have been here. 59.30 like we talked about. Closing the gap. That's your first target. And from here, if it goes, you'll take 3/4 out here, let the rest ride and close the gap and go, right? That should be your mindset. Okay, LGN. Go back a little bit. Here we go about VWAP. VWAP rejection. Okay, looking good. Looking good. NVIDIA. Let's take another chunk out of NVIDIA. Right? We could take another 100 out of NVIDIA. Why not? The out all share size at 410 in video. Okay. And the shares out at 410 on video. And if it breaks this level, then we could watch 411 for the long side on NVIDIA. All right? Let's keep that in mind. We're still cooking on partials. That's all we're doing. We're still cooking. Sophie. Down she goes, my friend. Down she goes. Look, roll, bang. Bang. So we know on the way back up now is what? $7, right? $7 to the upside. There go the gap close right here. There go the gap close, right? Gap fill. That gap fill right there. Boom. Again, I repeat, on the way back up, the stock decide to come back and fill the gap. This is where you want to enter. The gap fill. Boom. That would be your target, filled in the gap. Okay? And once you fill the gap, you'll come out 3/4 or whatever you need to come out, whatever share size you are. And then keep going to the upside. If not, let it come back down and then enter a new entry.
Hey, Steve, I got a question. I thought the gap got filled on the way down.
A gap filled on the way down.
Yes, but what come you saying it's gonna get filled on the way up too? It's already filled, isn't it?
Well, if gaps filled down and up. So the gap is filling to the downside because the stock is getting beat down, right?
Yeah.
The momentum change, it has to fill the gap back to the upside to get back up here. Look where it at. This is pre-market. It gapped up pre-market and then went sideways and then popped to the high is 788. Now, whatever is going on in the market is getting beat up right now. It came down and filled that gap that it already took care of earlier this morning pre-market. Look, it tested it a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The fifth time, boom, it broke.
So now 696 is like a resistance. It needs to break it.
It already
So-
broke 686. It already broke that. So where it goes now, the next level is 680. It's touching 680 now. Where's the next level? Is it lower than that?
No.
Is it lower than
Nothing.
680? Anything under 680, she's gone. But 680 is showing some support level here. 680, this is
Okay.
680,
All right.
right?
It's crazy. It was 10% up. Now it's like freaking -1%. How is it possible?
That's it. We don't trust this market.
Crazy day.
I don't trade on what the stock is saying. I'm trading on what it's doing.
Yeah.
Follow the trend. Trend
Sorry,
is your friend.
gentlemen. Sorry, gentlemen. Nvidia is coming out. You have some.
Okay, NVIDIA. There we go. Let's see what NVIDIA is doing. I'll be out of NVIDIA at 410. ZM, that's all I gotta say. I ain't gotta say nothing else. ZM. You got the numbers. You should be eating right now. Okay. You want me to show you? I'm not trading ZM, but woo, talk to me. Talk to me. Whoever took ZM, man.
I call it out, but I'm out of the cash right now. Like I know how to read it, but my entries they suck. So that's why I'm just watching.
You just watch it?
Yeah, I'm absorbing right now. Like I can see when it's reversing, I can see which direction is going it might go to, but my problem is my entries. So that's why I'm gonna just take this way and watch.
Just talk about it. Look at that money going. Look at that. Here she goes. Target. Boom. So entry was here. This was your target, right? 3/4 out. Let the rest ride. Move your stop loss up to your entry, right? That's what we talk about. And let the rest ride. Once this break this level here and close the gap and go higher, you move your stop loss right back to your first partial. And not only your profit, your partial and profit, that will never be a losing trade. It's a win-win trade right now as we speak. Mark, hold me down real quick. Woo!
Hey, Steve, can you set up AMD? It's kind of on the way up too now. You left?
What's that?
AMD. Are you guys watching AMD?
AMD. Take a look at AMD.
Man, Steve is on fire today.
Oh yeah. Whew. He is on fire, man. He could stop in the first 30 minutes and let everything else just play itself out.
See, I thought the SoFi is gonna go up. I went long, and boom, my stop loss worked. I should have went short again, but damn.
Yeah, you could see where he reversed it at 753.
Yeah,
Boom,
yeah,
all
man.
the way up
I
there.
knew. See, I thought he was gonna bounce back, so I was waiting, then like, okay, screw it, I'll take a stop loss, take my loss. Now it's time to probably get in.
Yep. You got ON. He's got his ON reversing too.
Let's go here.
Gotta take a look at your ON.
I'm on it. Okay,
Yep.
let's go. Let's me out of ON here. Let's get that done. Boom. Let's get it in. Hmm. 70. 70.
7-0.
Okay, we had 44. Yeah, you did, babe. Welcome, welcome all YouTubers. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, leave a comment, come on over to the Zoom where you find no lag time. We're having a good time over here, man. 21 cents to go for this trade here. See if we could get this ON reversal to the VWAP here. Okay. Here we go. So stop loss is your bottom here. Okay, this is your stop loss.
So you're going earlier than 70?
We got 20 cents to go.
Gotcha. So you're going at 69.
Yeah, I gotta see. I didn't see 69 yet. Right now it's 52. Remember, the VWAP is right here as rejection. Okay.
Hmm?
The VWAP is right here as rejection. Look how close it is. There's two things that could happen. You could go here at 70, or you could wait till it go to the VWAP and then bounce higher. But then right there, there's another rejection. You could wait for that 72.20. It's all up to you. There's different scenario here. You could go here, hoping that it breaks here and get this. What is it here? 10 cents to go. 70 to VWAP is a 5 cent move right there to the VWAP.
But you're not taking it at 70, you're going to take it at 69.
Yeah, 69.
Okay. So 69 to 70 as the first one.
68.70. 68.70 to 69.84. We need to see 68.70. That's what we need to see.
Okay.
68.70, 68.70, 69. Here we go. $67.30. That's 68.77. 10 cent higher. 7 cents. 7 cents high. Stop loss right here. At the low here. At ZM. Look at ZM. ZM was even a better trade. Look at ZM, guys. Bam.
Yeah, ZM was a better trade. Look at that.
Bam. Look at that. You can't
You
ask
call
anything more from a stock like that. You can't ask for it. And here's another one. It breaks through this, close the gap. Boom. This would be your target. 60 would be your target. 60 would be your target. Right. Okay. Break through here. Bam. Hmm. Kudos to you guys, man. Man. Whoever took ZM. Great job. Great job on ZM. Do me a favor over there on YouTube, guys. If you could go over on YouTube, hit that emoji heart there. Share the stream for me. I appreciate that. If everyone could share the stream for me on YouTube. I appreciate that. Come on, come on. You're struggling here, right? Boom. Resistance. Boom. VWAP is another one. Patient. See what happened here. We got our stop loss in. Hmm. Look at Tesla. Anybody trading Tesla? She is having a hard time at 200. Resistance from the market right here. Right?
Morning.
Morning.
up there, Flo?
Rejection right here. Got some rejection right there. Morning, Flo. How we doing?
Steve's on fire like usual.
Yeah, got some rejection here. No, I'm holding.
Okay, boys, I'm done for the day.
Was it a green day? Yes, Sin?
Yes, green day in. I'm still red all over, but green for today. Yes.
No, absolutely. Well, you
So I'm
can't
gonna.
do anything about the overall unless you make adjustment. But at least for the day, if you're getting in every day and being green for the day, I mean, it's an accomplishment. All that will either gonna rebound or it's gonna stay the same until something else happens.
Mhm.
Other than that,
I'm
man,
taking the family now to see NASA.
nice.
So I'll see you guys later.
All right. Have a good one, you
Okay.
send. Enjoy.
Bye.
Thanks for stopping by. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The Sin is on vacation. He came in, took a trade with us, green. Now he's off to celebrate and enjoy his vacation. That's what trading is about, man. That's what it's about. Why we do what we do here. EMPH. 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 Out of this one on EMPH. Okay. You know, semi, as you could see, rejected a couple of times, right? So I'll be watching semi EMPH to go low. Okay. Got about 50 cents here on away. But there you go. Welcome, welcome, happy Monday. Keep eye on the MPH, okay, at that level. It's getting some rejection up here now. Anything anybody else looking at right now?
MCD. MCD.
MCD.
Look at it.
Oh, that's McDonald's. Yeah.
Yep.
You already seen it right here. 260. 260. That's the resistance. 260. Over 260. Two 60. Two 58, 40. Short. Back to VWAP. So let's set up a scenario here for McDonald's. Okay. Come on. So this is McDonald's, okay? We know that she wants to break 260. We got 5 cents to give. I like that play. It's gonna be a quick one. Target. Target. McDonald's. All right, 260. There she goes. 260. Boom. Let's get 260. Okay. We can move our stop loss here. This is just a quick scalp. Stop loss right here on McDonald's. All right. We're looking to go long target. Stop loss here. And remember, this is going to be your short, 258.41. Okay. If it fails. So, look at these. I don't eat McDonald's, but I sure trade it. Come on, 260. 260.07. Come on. It doesn't move fast as I would like it to do, but quick scalp. Boom. Boom, there you go.
Hey Steve, are you still short on Nvidia? Looks like he wants to go up.
Yeah, I got 100 shares here.
I mean, it's about to break 409.
And there you go, guys. McDonald's, McDonald's, McDonald's.
Huh?
There you go, McDonald's. Say no more. Boom. Okay, is that good for you? Boom. There you go. Move that stop loss right up between here, 259.50, right? 59.50 underneath this candle here, right? 59, 59.50. So 50 cents. Boom. We eating. Okay. Let it do what it do. 200 shares. Boom. We got that. Okay. Nvidia's coming up. I'm stopping out at 410 on it. On that last 100 shares. Look, guys. ALGN. Fire. 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 Hit our target. Could take another 100 off ALGN, right? Boom, money. ON is giving us some hard time right here. Okay. But McDonald's make up for that, and ALGN make up for that, right? Good. We're having some hard time here. So we know that's resistant. We know that's where we want it. For it to go higher, got to get through this. Got to get through here. And to go lower, underneath the low. But we know that this is the area it's having a hard time breaking. So I'll be watching this level for sure. Okay. That's fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. It's trying. Now we're in this small range here. Channel. Look at this small channel here. From here to the low. That's the channel right now. We need to break higher. So either we're going to break higher or we're going to break lower. One or the other. And if it breaks lower, I'll be out at the low here. Okay. And then I won't contest it again until it breaks this level here again. Right? Let it go lower. Still got time. This is the closing of the market here. We still got time for something to happen. Either it's going to stay in this channel and then break higher, or stay in this channel and break lower. That's all you're looking for. You're not looking for anything else. Let it come to you. But I want it higher. I want it to trade it higher. I'm not going to trade it lower. I already traded it lower already. We capitalize off it. Now I want it higher. But if it fails, it's okay. We already took our 3/4 out and we made full trade on this stock here, ON to the downside. And we're giving back some now, but that's okay. You're going to give back some to the market. Don't be afraid to give it back. The market give it and it take it, right? Oh, 260.67. Looking good on that partial there on McDonald's. Beautiful. We ALGN. Come on. The next target. Come on. Get up there. Break this level here. So pull it back down. EMPH pulled back. Got rejected. WDC is just WDC. Take some money out of WDC. Anything you guys see? Talk to me.
I'm watching Netflix.
Netflix.
If it breaks 407.23, might go all the way down.
If it breaks what?
407.23, I believe.
207.30, 207.30.
407.23.
407.
That's how I have.
Already broke that, which was going to the upside. 407 down, and then this would be the target here. That would be your target. Boom, short, boom, target. And now long would be over the top. Like I said, you need momentum to bring you over the top here. Okay. The next target. Right. Short, boom, enter here, over the top. You're gonna enter here, this would be your stop loss. You're gonna go short, this would be your stop loss at the top, enter here, and this would be your target. Okay. Oh, and just having pressure right here. It's mad pressure here. I give it another 5. Another 5, 2K. I'm willing to give up 2K, not any more than. Okay. Playing with house the other way. Start here. The other day. The other day. Ooh. Yo. 712. Take this up. 750 target. Target. That's a 50-cent movement. Of course, 750 target. Got it. If you see anything, go ahead. Let us know, guys. Welcome, welcome. And if you're new to YouTube, go ahead and just hit the subscribe button for me. Go ahead, hit those emoji over there. Let YouTube know that we live, man, and we popping. Big things popping over here in the Zen Zone. All right. Follow me on all social media, guys. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at the Zen Zone 01, on X at the Zen Zone 01, Meta at Zen Zone 01. On YouTube, you already know, at the Zen Zone 01. All right. Discord is in the link in the chat to get to the Discord. It's totally free, guys. Just come on in, enjoy, and see what we do. Come on and enjoy and see.
DMM.
Here you go on McDonald's. I'll be out of McDonald's right here, which I'm fine. Okay. That's a win-win. Win-win trade here on McDonald's. I'm done with McDonald's. Let's get that done and out of the way. The LGN is still going. In a flag formation here. Like I said, I'm giving ON to another 420, 2 grand, and I'll be done with that. And yes, I will take it back here again. Just this time, we're having trouble here. Okay. I'm not looking to short it anymore. We already shorted this morning. I'm looking for long. Got some resistance here as it's forming a channel right here. Okay. What you talking about now?
GMM, G for George, M Mary.
That gap down and trying to break down. Trying to break down. Not much of a volume here. This is resistance area here. At 11, 12. We still have a gap to fill there as well. Over here. This is the gap here. That needs to be filled on the way back up. There's support here. There's resistance here. And there's a gap fill here. Okay. So for me, you could play it several ways. This is one way you could play it. And only if you have your strategies in place, right? There's a gap fill here. I would take it from here, which is 1147, 1150. And you're getting 50 cents to like 70 cents, 12.7, 12.20. Okay, fill that gap. Entry, this would be your target. The top, fill in the gap. Boom. Anything above that, you're golden. All right. That's how I would play that if I was going to play that. Anyway, to the upside. Okay. Entry, target. Anything more than that, you go into the upside. But the momentum got to change. And then short this level here. Come on. On the level. See that support there? Short. Short. I see nothing here. You got beat up on OA. Yeah, we got 200 to go and I'll be out on OA. I'm giving it 2. Could I give it less? Yes, I could have given it less. I'm willing to risk 2. And that's it. There you go. The 2. The 2. That's it, right? I say I'm willing to risk that. That's all I'm risking. Boom. That's it. Now, I still look for this to go long here. So I'll wait. If it fails, fine. Didn't work for us. Okay, the momentum got rejected here. Okay. As you can see, the channel is forming right here. So it's 2 things that's going to happen. To the downside, 3 things really. Break the low, right? Stay within the channel here. That's 2. And then break this level here at 68.70 to the upside. Okay? That's it. If it breaks this level, we got to intend with the VWAP. So we need it, if it breaks, we need that candle to come through the VWAP and go higher. Okay. It's going to try to show its face again. That's what it's trying to do. So this time we wait. Make sure it breaks this level now, and then another candle open up to the upside. We don't want to go in entry again here and the same thing happen. Now we need to see something different. Now we need to see it hit this level and the next candle open up. Okay? And then we could make a play on it. It's almost like it knew where to took me out, right? At the 2K, that's where I asked for it. Go on. Go on, guys. How's everybody doing today? Did we have a great weekend? We had a great weekend. Looking forward to going to golf course next week.
I went past 4 years and got burned.
What was that?
This morning I went past 4 years and I got burned.
Could hardly hear you, my friend.
Yeah, that's love my pace and improve my timing.
Oh, you got to improve your timing?
Yeah, I got a bad timing.
Just got to set your levels as we do right here, you know, and set up your stop loss. I mean, if you're new, I wouldn't go in with big share size. Just work on your levels, work on your entries, executing your entries, and setting up your stop loss. I wouldn't jump in and boom. So look at this. If we were to enter this here again, here, that pullback right there, boom, that would be a second loss in it, right? So we already established here, right, that here, this is the resistance. We got in here, it pulled back on us and come all the way back down, right?
Yes.
So am I going to make the same mistake by coming in here again? No.
No.
What I'm looking for it on the second time now with momentum, close this 68.70, and then the next candle got to be opening up above, right? Almost like this candle here. It's got to do this, boom, for here. We got to do this, the next candle open up here, and then have another one open up here, and then we could take this candle from this level to that one, and that's the profit candle that we're gonna able to take profit on, okay? But if it doesn't, we're not gonna go back into this trade to the long side because, like I said before, I'm waiting for it to go long. I'm not looking to go short anymore, right? We already took it short this morning. We ate off it real quick, and we tried to go long here, and we got rejected. All right.
So that's the key, that rejected. So there's a potential to go up, back up. Again.
Yes. And again, sure, you could take it through here if we got the full momentum pushing it through, right? You can. But what I'm doing is I'm saying to myself, I did it here. I'm not going to go twice at it. I want to see the second time around when I go, if it's going to do the other thing that I say, break higher. I need to see that other candle above this level first before I go in. And then even if that candle go above, look where the VWAP is. That could be a rejection as well. So I could go, okay, the candle go here and I go in, right? But look at the VWAP, get rejected, bounce right back down. So another scenario, let it break the VWAP and then use the VWAP as support now and then go higher to our target. All right? So all of this is in play here. It's just where your mindset is at. What does it look feasible for you, right? Did the market change momentum? Is the market giving it up and it refused? Right now, it's in a channel. Look, it's in a channel since 1025. Right? Something got to change. Which one is going to win? Is the buyers going to win and push the stock up? Because the sellers are in control right now, it's down 18%. Right?
Right.
So there's a lot that goes on in your mind that you gotta have to be thinking about and how to execute these trades. You just don't execute it just because it's that. You gotta look at some things. Look at the daily. Okay? The daily's to the downside with a gap down on the daily. So it's to the downside. Right?
Yes.
Gap down, boom. Look, the MACD. There's nowhere close on the daily. Right? But on the 5 minute, look on the 5 minute. It opens up.
Right.
And for it to go higher, it got to break these levels. Right? So all you got to do is just be patient and wait. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Move on to something else.
Same thing is happening to AT&T, which is T. It's trying to break resistance from this. Just the letter T.
What's the letter for AT&T? T, right?
T. Yeah.
T. Yeah, look at AT&T. Look at the rejection at the VWAP. Look, I already know what I'm gonna do if
If you can
AT&T,
sustain, it will drop.
right here. It breaks this 15, 12. You could wait for 15, an even number to the downside. Okay. There's nothing else left to say. Some of these things, some of these trades are just obvious, right?
Yes.
And then again, if you don't know, then you don't know. It's okay. You wait for your strategy to set up. I'll wait for 1530. Okay. As an even number there, right? Let it do what it do in between all of that. That's not my concern. My concern is these levels here. Okay. It could stay all in this area, all it want to do. This is the middle of it, right? This is the brain, as I call it, right? It has to get through this level here, right? Just like here. You got to get through here on this candle here, break this level, and then another candle got to open up above it and go higher, right? But in between now and then, I'm not doing anything.
Right.
Got to break this level, and it's got to break this level to the downside. And then here's your target. Gem right there. That's a gem right there. That's a gem. Target over the top.
All right. I'm still
You know, what more can I say?
I gotta get used to this.
You got to get used to it. You got to get used to it. Practice, practice, practice. It doesn't come overnight, man. WDC, keep going. So we know WDC got to break this level to the upside, and we could eat from that. Okay? We're still up almost 6%. Still good. Everything partial is working to the downside. Sophie. So far, so far, so far. NVIDIA. Stuff out on the 10. Get stopped out on NVIDIA at 10, and we banking 5 points and 80 cents on NVIDIA. Okay. Welcome all YouTubers. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. I appreciate that. And also hit that emoji here, over here. It's almost like a TikTok thing, showing love. Showing love to the Zen trader. I appreciate that. Okay, guys. And also share the live. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell, let you know when I post stock pick of the day. Every day at 9 a.m. You could get in early. Look at it. and see if it's something that you want to do. But like I tell you, we pick them, we trade them. There's no if and buts about it. All right, because that's what we do in the Zen Zone here. If you want no lag time, the link is in the chat at the top. Go ahead, get into the link to the Zoom. It's free. And get in and experience no lag time. Welcome, welcome. LGN. Second target, right? Looking good. She just need to break through that. And oh, that's 79, 83. Twenty. 28 will be out of ALG. Okay. Great trade. All right, stop loss here. We'll finish with the 100 share on the LG. Okay. See anything, guys? Just go ahead and say it. NVIDIA, SoFi, EMPH is in the channel right now. Mark, how we doing, Mark?
Doing good, my brother. Just doing some back end stuff.
Penny, how we doing? Flo, how we doing?
I'm in the ON trade still.
Doing good, doing good.
Sir, that's what I'm talking about. That break on the LGN too, right here looks good too. Need a stop loss break here, stop loss, right? Boom, stop loss. $7.80. Entry. Yeah. Go up under this level right back down. That's all I would see. That's all I would see. See. Yeah, let me go back there and see if I could find anything here, guys. Checking my scanning here, guys.
Two, four, five, five. Okay.
Beautiful on ALGN. There you go.
it was
Definitely,
great.
yeah, you know where the money is.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
There
yeah.
you go.
Money comes to me every day in every kind of way. Effortlessly. GTX. GTX, look at that. Boom. Boom. FRBN dropped, huh?
Yep.
Wow, $11. Where it's at? Let's see where it's at. FRBN.
2150 right now.
FRBN.
So it's down almost 7 from Friday.
Wow. I wouldn't even trade that. I wouldn't trade that if you give me the capital.
Nope.
I wouldn't trade that. Look where it came from, man. Look what damage control we did to this one. We did damage control.
You spanked that. You spanked it, man.
Look at that damage control.
Watch NVIDIA.
Coming up.
Yep. You have a hard stop or soft? Okay.
100 shares. I'll be out of NVIDIA now. We could watch NVIDIA entry target. Let's make sure we got some momentum pushing us through here. 410. 40 cents to go.
Mm-hmm.
Could even wait for longer if you don't want to get to 410. You could wait.
Steve, how about the Tesla? Still
Tesla went,
above 200
man.
long?
Huh?
What about Tesla?
Oh man, I missed that 410. Jeez,
Yep. There you go.
missed the 410.
Okay. It's coming back right there. Boom.
See if the next one could boom. Here, Tesla. What about Tesla?
You still gonna go long or above 200? What is the setup now?
Yeah, still 200. Still 200.
So you're gonna buy now or you're gonna wait till
No, no,
the
no.
breaks?
It gotta break the 200. Look, it will get rejected here once. Look, hit our first target, pull back. So now let it hit the 200 now, and then break this one here. Okay.
Okay.
My alert is at 200. Boom, 200. What it's gonna do? It's gonna finally find a momentum. You gotta read the chart. Look, it came here, hit our 200 before, pulled hit our first target. You should have made money on that one. Got rejected at the first target, pull right back down to the 200. This was a nice trade back to the 200 here, back down to the low, right?
Yeah.
That was a great trade. Now, on the way back up, am I going to make the same mistake No. What you want to do for clarity, let it break the 200. Let it hit your target. Okay. And I want to see that momentum carry us through the VWAP.
Okay.
Now, if you get it at the 200, your stop loss is going to be, what you're going to give it? 20 cents, $1, $1.20. Right now, it's showing $1.20. I would give it a stop loss if it breaks the 200 below this level here. Right?
Okay.
That's what I would do. Okay. Now, there's different ways you could play. You could play with the market so much, man. You could have fun with it. Like, all right.
I wish I could have fun like you.
Just for example, you see where I'm at right here? Look at this.
Yeah, I
This
got it
level
set up
right
too.
here. We know this level right here. Let's get this out of here. This level right here. Look at this. Right here. I could take a small from here to here, right? Because we know that's the 200, right? And this is what? Almost 199, right? 199. Look, I get 100 shares here, right? Get 200 on Tesla. Boom. Right here, we're going to go. This is our entry right here, right now. This is going to be our target, right? This is our target. We got 200 shares, just to show you something, okay? Here, this is the momentum coming up. This is going to be my stop loss here, okay? Below this candle here. So the previous candle becomes your stop loss, right? All right? Just showing you a technical formation.
The stop loss 97.66.
Hold on. Here we go. Stop loss here. Okay? And that's just with 200 shares, right? Here. Watch this scenario. Target. This is our target. Let's get this out of it. All right? Come on. I'm just going to demonstrate something for you here. We're following the momentum. If it doesn't come up, then we stopped out right here, right? Here we go.
Yeah.
We say 200. You want to wait for 200. But watch at this 200 level here. Come on, Tesla. Let's go. Come on. Difference of waiting and not waiting. NVIDIA coming up. JB, long time, my friend. No chat. Yeah, we here, JB. If you want to join us in the Zoom, the link is in the top of the chat here. Come on in, man. Let me know what you're looking at, JB. See here, see Tesla? Here we go. Even with a small share size, right? Now that I do that, as it goes up, I would add right here. Once it hit the 200, I add another 100 shares and just build it as it goes up. As it goes up, you build it up as it goes up. First target, right? If I had a small account, look, 200 shares. I'm $128 in so far, right? Here she goes. Okay. Momentum carrying us, change of direction. Break through this 200 here. Okay. LG is going to stop me out here. And I'll come out at ALG. What a great trade, right? Who had gave me ALG? Anyone that gave me that ALG trade?
Me.
Thank you, sir. There you go. Finish. What a beautiful trade, right? Boom, 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 boom. Hit. Done. Right? So what you think I'll be looking for on ALG on the upside? We know right at 85.45, there's rejection here, right? Boom. It tried, never quite make it, but it make it here and got rejected here, right? So that would be area I'll be looking for. You could look for it, 85.50, right? Look for that. Target, boom. 85.50 to 87.80, right? Some resistance here for it to go ahead and go higher. It's 190.50, right? And do what it do. Tesla pull back. See? Look. See? See why you gotta wait? That's the reason why you gotta wait, right? Look, it pulled back, it get back there again. So I just wanted to show you, even with a small account, boom, that entry right there is key, right? Boom. Yeah, I could have took the 170. Yeah, it's 200 shares. Take half of it out, okay? But I'm just demonstrating to you here on this trade here why it's so important to wait for the levels to come to you. Just because you see it going like this, that don't mean always you gotta always get in, right?
I got a question. If it goes back to 196, are you gonna pick up more? Or are you gonna have a stop
No,
loss
I'll
up
be
there?
out of this trade here. I'm not gonna pick up anymore. I don't pick up on stock to the downside. I add to a stock to the upside. Now, if it's pulling back to my level and with momentum going up, yeah, I would add to it on a pullback for it to go higher, but I'm not. I'm not gonna add to it if it comes back down here, because what could happen down here? It goes down even more.
I know, that's what all
And
the
not
stuff
only
is
I
saying.
lose on this trade, I lose on the add that I add to it as well. So I don't want to do that to myself. I'd rather lose off the trade on the initial setup than add to it and lose again twice. So not only you're losing on the first one, you're losing on the second add you add to the stock, right?
Yeah.
I never had on the way down. If the stock pull back and with momentum pulling it up, yeah, I would add to it out. Now, what I was trying to demonstrate to you is that from this level to this level, yeah, you could make money. As you could see, I was up $170, right? But that's not the right entry. That's not the right entry that's going to give us the basic, right? This is a bunt right here, right? Baseball analogy. It's just a bunt just to move runners, right? Or just a bunt to get a little bit, right? As you could see, we got 170. You could take that if that's what you're looking for. But I'm looking for the basic that I could move runner or maybe score, right? So the 200 is the score, right? Now, if you get in early and boom, you make sure you have your stop loss ready. That means if stock go the opposite way, you have time to get out. But if the stock keep going, boom, not only you're in early, the 200 at the level where you need to enter, now you could add at that level because the momentum is pulling you through that level.
So right now, you have your stop loss at 198.80?
Right here.
Stop loss?
Right here.
Oh, you got the right?
197.8.
197?
Okay. And again, I'm willing to risk that much, right?
Okay.
And it's all about your risk tolerance, right? What you're willing to lose. You gotta have that in mind. You gotta have that set up before you go in. Where your stop loss going? If I want to lessen my stop loss, let's move it up here. Ain't nothing wrong with it going with the previous candle, guys. This is the previous one before we take it. Now that it's up there, now you could move your stop loss to here. There's nothing wrong with that. That means you're gonna lose less and save you more money to go into another trade that you really want to get into, right?
Yep, true that.
And have money go into the next trade by not losing that money into this trade and it didn't work. Pull up your stop loss. You don't have to always honor it. You could always change it at any given time, no matter what is going on. If you feel like you don't want to give up 200, give up 50, right? Give up 25. Okay, done with that trade. That's it. Let's move on. Okay? Ain't nothing wrong with it right there. Okay? 98.44? Sure. I can go 98.44. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Right? That's it.
Anybody know how I changed the name in here? Because my wife usually uses this for her meetings.
Who is this here? Mark, can you help Marjorie?
Yeah, it's Joe B. Actually.
Joe B.
What's that?
Joe B. Can you tell Joe B how to change his name in there from Marjorie? Margie.
Anybody know how I
Yeah, you should be able to go up in the right corner. I mean, I could change it for you.
Mark could change it for you. What name would you like?
Joe B?
Joe B.
Joe B, yeah.
Joe B. Yeah, we'll change that.
How's
for you,
that?
Joe B. Joe B. Can you tell
Joe B, is it Joe Biden or what?
Yeah, it looks good. No, don't say that.
No. We don't do labels or political talk here.
Yeah.
It's all about
no.
stocks.
Thank you.
You're
welcome, Joe B.
Long time,
Yes.
brother. How you been?
I've been good. I missed you guys.
Yeah.
We're here.
Been here.
No, don't say that.
All right.
We don't do
Somebody have a
Yeah.
reverb out there on
If somebody
No
has a YouTube.
politics. Thank you.
Joe B, do you have YouTube running?
Yeah,
Long time, brother.
You could, if you can mute your YouTube.
I've been
You don't have
good.
to mute-
I missed you guys.
Yeah. We're here.
Joe B, if you can mute your YouTube playing in the background, that'd be great.
Okay,
They're on.
let's see.
You've got YouTube playing in delay.
Okay, let me.
YouTube running?
Yes.
If you can mute your YouTube.
Is that up in the left-hand corner? Let's see.
If you can mute your YouTube. If you have a tab open for YouTube, just go to the top and right click and say mute.
Okay.
You've got YouTube playing in delay.
Okay.
It takes time. We all
Yep,
need to do
don't
this.
worry, just you'll get it. We'll walk you through it.
Is that up in the
The
left-hand
search
corner?
bar.
Yeah, okay, left-hand corner, it says YouTube.
You have a tab open for YouTube, just go to the just go to the tab of YouTube or right in the YouTube. Right in the YouTube at the bottom, there's a speaker button. Just hit that speaker button.
Okay.
Next, it should have a pause, an arrow facing right with a line, and then the speaker.
Yeah, okay,
Hit the
left-hand
speaker.
corner, it says YouTube. Yes.
Just hit that speaker. It'll turn it off. Or right in the YouTube, right in the YouTube at the bottom, there's a speaker button. Just hit that speaker button. You see it? Don't worry.
I'm not
We'll get you
seeing
there.
it.
If you put your, are you in the YouTube? Or you the app? Or are you in a page? Right in the YouTube at the bottom, there's a speaker button. if you put your arrow in the middle of the YouTube, you should have little things come up at the bottom.
Yeah. Do I have to get out of Zoom though?
No. Just as long as you're. How is your YouTube playing? Is it playing in the background?
I don't think so. I can't. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, see it? The speaker button?
There you
There
go.
you go.
Okay.
Hey, yep,
Yes,
we
sir.
worked it out.
Teamwork.
Sorry about that.
No,
Yep, no
I'm
problem.
new to this Zoom stuff.
It's okay.
good.
Yeah, it's
Here.
my first day too.
Look at Tesla now, guys. All right. So that 200 is going to be critical for Tesla to break through the high right here. Okay. So that's what we're waiting on. You see how patient I've been with the Tesla trade? You see how patient you got to be?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Morning, Steve. Morning, Mark.
Morning,
Hey.
morning,
Come on, Jonathan.
Market is wow this today, hey?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
I missed the action already.
VYNE. Let's look at VYNE. That's from Johnny Fall in YouTube. Thank you
Yep.
for that one. VYNE. See what we could look at that one. What's going on that one here? Got beat up today. No volume really. Up 19%, but nothing is going on right now in that right now. I don't see anything. Short on the 2.5, 250.
Nah, that one is dead.
Yeah. And long over $3. That's where I see that. $3 and 250 short. $3. And 250 short. I don't see anything else on that. No volume. And again, no volume. That breakdown was at that $3 breakdown. That was it. And then if it breaks higher at $3, you got the VWAP here to deal with over there. But let's back to Tesla. 26 cents to go on Tesla to break this 200. Netflix. Netflix. So how you been, Joe B? I mean,
I've been good.
I've been on YouTube for quite some time, and then I got stopped out because we were using a program and that didn't work. So we went ahead and got the Zoom. So now this is where we at.
Yeah, because I couldn't find you for a while, so I stopped looking, and then I saw you. I think Friday.
Yes. Yes.
And, so now I know where you are. You're on Zoom every day?
Yeah, I'm here for the rest of the year. Yeah, we start a project and we're gonna go more in depth on trading just for whoever really want to take this to the whole another level.
Yeah, well, it's good. It's good to collaborate.
Yeah, absolutely. So I just wanted to show people what I do, and if they're interested in, they could come on board.
Just look in the Discord for the link. I post it every day when he goes live. Like Thursday, I don't believe we'll be live. If we do, it'll be an impromptu live.
Yeah, or maybe do it early in the morning. I'll go live early in the morning. I'll let you know if I'm gonna do that.
So just be in the Discord and I'll post it.
Also, hit your notification bell when you subscribe to the YouTube. The notification bell will alert you when I post the stock pick of the day. I still post that there every day. So
Okay, I'll check that out.
Netflix on top here at this 410. I'm looking for Netflix. That's short on the 407. It's gonna be good on Netflix.
Hey, hello guys. Greg here. SOFI, SoFi. possibly going for the VWAP 720.
Okay, good, good, good. So we could get out of SoFi here. I could finish with SoFi. I'm good with SoFi here. That was a great trade to the downside, and we could look for a long run SoFi.
Oh, you're going short? Oh, I see it.
No, I was short.
You was.
Yeah. So we benefit off that. Boom. Okay. SoFi. Good. We look for SoFi entering the gap fill, right? This is the gap fill on SoFi, right? So $7, 690, 695. All right. Gap fill.
You may possibly go for VWAP, right? 720.
Yeah, you could do that too. You could wait for that. But if you want to get in on the gap fill to here, that could be a great trade for SoFi if it comes back up, right? There's $7 to it's a 10-cent move, right? Are you looking for that in SoFi? The better move was this morning. Coming down, right? Got beat up and come down. We benefit of it. As you could see, I just came out with my last partial on that. Okay. So for SoFi, we need to break this gap, this level right here, and then fill the gap. And that would be your target up there. 8 cents, 10 cents. Okay. You want it at the VWAP, that will be closing the cup and handle right here, right? This is the little hook for the cup. Boom.
I don't know if you traded, but I see one here, RVPH is holding up.
Which one?
RVPH. I'm gonna put it in the chat.
RVPH.
Yeah, it's holding up, and resumption is 12/19/52. I'll put it in the chat too.
Oh, that was nice.
I think it may run more.
$5. We missed that $5 break there. That $5 breaker here, 698.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
That was nice. $5.33. That $5 break. $5.33 gap up. That's a nice candle there. Look at that. Next resistance is up there.
Okay, so RVPH resume less than a minute. We'll see. Maybe shoot up more.
It's halted.
Yes, hold it up. It's gonna be resumed less than a minute.
All right, let me see something here.
I see 740 on my charts, but I don't know. We'll see where it jumps.
I see 680.
Okay. No, 740. Okay.
I got 684. Oh, let me get out of this Tesla trade here. Tesla. So I give Tesla that. I'll come down, hit my stop loss. That's it on Tesla. Okay.
RVPH is open.
690. 650. There's a pullback there.
Yep.
Yeah. There's a pullback. Let me see. Let me see if we could short that. RVPH. Well, I take a look at it. Well, you could short it. The borrowing fee for that is 19. It's like 18.75 to short it. You could short it, but you got to pay a fee. Okay. Like I said, it has to break this level here. $6.78. For 30 cents. You know, would have to break the top here higher. And there go Tesla. This level here, short 590 to VWAP. Oh, yeah.
I see that little gap at 545. Yeah, right here. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's gonna go down there.
Yeah. It's not bad spread. The spread is running between 10 cents and
3 cents.
yeah.
7 now.
With some momentum, the great trade was at that $5 break, or even at that 4 when it started breaking up. And people are selling out at the top here.
Not good to chase though, right?
No, I wouldn't chase.
No, I think the volume is still kind of low. It's only 18 million.
Yeah. I wouldn't chase.
Which is with the average is 22, so not really not too strong.
No.
70% on the day.
Yeah. I mean, it could still go more. It's just, I got to see it break this level here. See, this level here, it has to break that. It still got more. I mean, 720 would be a target from here to here, but as you can see, people are taking profit. It's pulling back. Need some more momentum to push that through here. With the short, it's almost a 19% borrowing too for that. Pretty much on that. That's where you go. Boom, boom. Anything over that, you go. See what's going on with SoFi here. Here comes SoFi. Ooh. Here comes SoFi. Let's get SoFi. SoFi. Is this what we want here? Enter. Enter SoFi. Let's get our stop loss show up here. 30 cents here. SoFi. Let's get SoFi here. This is going to be a stop loss at this level. Okay. Previous candle here. This one here. Or you could do it below. Give it room. Okay. Boom. 680. Boom. Stop loss. 680. Stop loss. Okay. Gonna close the gap. Let's close the gap. All right. Come on, Sophie, close the gap. Now we have our stop loss here. We can even move it here to this previous candle here, which is what? 687.
Anybody speaking today?
No, tomorrow. I think they're speaking tomorrow. Paul is speaking tomorrow. At some point. SoFi, we good. What we're doing with NVIDIA. Let's watch Tesla at 200. NVIDIA closing the gap to the downside in the middle. So nothing there on NVIDIA yet. We could work with SoFi. ON. Just need SoFi, get back up here again. ON, look at ON, huh? Look at that channel, guys. Why worry? No need to worry. We break this level, she's gone, down, 19. We're waiting for 680, 68.70. Look at that channel. It's been in the channel since 1025, guys. You just got to see these and recognize it, and then you don't do anything. Why would I get into this or involve into this stock here? I wouldn't. Not at this level. Okay. So far. Come on, so far. Get two. Close the gap. This is a 1-to-2 ratio, right? Risking 1 to make 2 and so far, right? Because the increments is 20 cents, right? So, BMPH, ain't nothing going on with it, right? Same thing with the 78. We need to get over 78 on the BMPH, right? That's all we're waiting for.
What's your target on SoFi?
So far. Come on, so far. 720. Anything more than 720, we go. And so far. So far. So far. JB, anything you want to look at, JB?
I'm watching this SoFi also.
Okay. Anything you want to look at, you got in mind, we could look at it real quick for you while you're watching so far.
Hey Steve, can you check Tesla?
Absolutely. So just down at this level here. It's 90, 196.95. Out. We know 200. We'll get that out here. Right. We just need a change in the market, and we'll have Tesla working on that 200 here. Okay.
When you get a chance, BTAI.
BTAI. Oh man. She gone, Flo. She gone. 420.
Your breakdown of it. I got it at 378.
450. You gotta break 50 for higher. And there's a gap fill up here too as well. I'll show you that in a minute. This level, it's got to break this level here for higher as it's coming up on the daily. But there's a gap fill here.
Save this for later, okay? Okay, nice to meet you, okay? Bye.
Got to break that flow. There's resistance here, and that's the gap fill there. So if you're gonna play this, you gotta play it right up to the gap fill, to the gap, starting at the gap, but you got resistance before you get to the gap, right here, in this candle here. With momentum, yeah. This would what you would be looking for, a gap fill, boom, target. That's what I see on that one. From
Yep.
here to here is resistance. From here to here is resistance.
Got it. Thanks.
Anything under $4. $4 could be what? To 25 cents. You know what I mean? Boom, reverse, boom. Anything below here, you build in 50 cents below the VWAP, like the VWAP 25 cents here. That's all you're gonna get from this. So if I pull back, you know, to fill the gap on so far. So far we break higher. Establish a low already. Okay. Let's look at the SPY, see what the SPY is doing, so we could have an idea where the market is heading. This is the gap on the market here, gap up, pull back. This is support level here. If it break 412, that would mean we have down market right now. We're just barely moving. Plus 0.71 here on the SPY. With 1380, needs to break that level, go higher. And then that would be your target, 415 on the SPY. Okay. So everything is just in between range right now, guys. Just be patient, wait for your setup, and set your stop loss in place. Let's fill the gap, honey. Right there. Shied away from filling the gap on so far. Unbelievable. It's 80. 680 stop loss. Oh, so far. Here comes NVIDIA. Can we get NVIDIA to move the market on VBA? NVIDIA closed the gap now. We have a triple bottom down here in the middle of the gap, guys. 1, 2, 3. Now she needs to fill the gap, break it. And then we have resistance here now. And then we have another resistance. So this is how you have to play NVIDIA to the upside. Once you break this level here, this 410. Fill in the gap. She filled the gap. How many times she filled the gap? Once, twice, right? 3 times. Now it's the 4th time. Okay? Fill in this gap. Came down, find support. 1, 2, 3. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. 3. Right? Fill the gap. 4.
So is that showing momentum up?
It wants to go up because it shows support down here, right? 3 times, triple bottom.
But the gap never got filled yet, because on the bottom from 405, still open a
Right
little bit.
here.
Yeah,
The gap fill is right here, right at this line here.
but when the market opened up, see, if it got filled, but not all the way. See, a
No,
little bit below,
it didn't
open.
fill. When the market opened up, it went above the gap and went higher. This is the gap up during pre-market. It hasn't filled it to the downside yet,
Yeah.
right? But it
So
closed
there's
it.
like $1 open still.
It closed it right here. It didn't come down and fill it all the way.
And
Find
all
support
the way
in
on
the
the bottom
middle.
is why the 405? Is there support then or not?
405, it's what?
Is there support up there?
Yeah, right here. There's
So if it
support
goes
right now at
405
406.70. That's where the support is. And SoFi got rejected, so 680 stop loss on SoFi. Just gotta see what the SPY is doing. There's pressure in the market. Let's see who is winning in the market here. Welcome, YouTubers. Thank you so much.
See, Tesla at the 197. If it breaks lower, it's game over.
Bill B is in Amazon and Google. Let's see what Amazon and Google. In it long. Some rejection up here at the top here. 132.35. There's some rejection there, John B. Watch it at VWAP. Anything on the 131 short to 130 target. The market decide to fail. That's how I would play. VWAP boom to 130. And anything over the top here. $32 to 130.250. That's all. That's all. Nothing much right here. We need the market with big volume. Google. Let's see where Google is at. Same thing. Over 126. Market got to give us something to some strength to push these stock higher. Market needs to give us something here.
Looks like they're all bouncing off the VWAP.
Yeah. The 125. Take a VWAP breakthrough and down. 125. 125 short. Oh. That's what I see, John B. This on Google. 126. Are you in it long already? There's some rejection up here and short through the VWAP. Boom. Target, or if you want to wait till 125, it fails. Boom. Target is down here. 124, get 70 cents out of that.
Steve, the Tesla is at 197, so double bottom. What do you think?
So I would treat Google, Tesla. Yeah, the market is going down. Tesla, anything on the Tesla here, short.
So you're gonna look for shorts or for long?
I'm not shorting Tesla. I'm not playing Tesla today.
And if you want to go long, when are you gonna go long?
If it fails below here, then 197 right back up to 200 would be a play that would look good. But for right now, it's getting beat up because the market is what? Failing to go higher. Yep. Market got rejected at 413.80. And again, 412. If the SPY break 412, we could see that all the way back down. And that's with everything else, right? Same thing with NVIDIA. So I would just be patient, wait for your setup.
Steve, GMM filled the gap, and I think it's going long or short. I don't know.
Fill that gap already. Going back down. This was the trade, man, right here. That was the trade. Did you took that trade?
Yes, but then I out of the fill up the gap, and then go.
You took this trade, which is filled the gap, right? And then move higher to the VWAP and then higher. You should have been out here. 3/4 out here, gap fill.
I'm out at 12.
You're out?
Yep, I'm out of the 1241.
Okay, good job. So you're out, you're done with it. It's a great trade. Let it do whatever it needs to do now. The next break with momentum over this 14. That's where I would look. The higher of the day is 1547. It's a great trade, man. Good for you. Don't get any better than that, guys. We executed, boom. It went our way, boom. Fill the gap, boom. And give us even more. So the market is having a hard time. That's why you see SoFi pull back, right? 680, 3 cents to go, and I'll be done with SoFi.
SOXS. Look at that.
One here, let me finish up with this SoFi here.
Hey, guys, I'll be back in a little while.
All right. WBC ain't no returning right now in WBC. Wow. See if we get some alert at 41.50. What was the letter you're talking about now? What letter? What letter you were talking about? Who said a stop? I'm sorry. Market came home, so market came home. 2 cents to go, and I'll stop out of SoFi. Be patient with the market here. For some reason I could use some coffee. DRT, DRT. BYNE, DRT. Well, try BY. VYNE. Slow, slow, slow. This is the level you gotta look for. $3. It's in a channel now. $3. That's what I would wait for. I wouldn't do anything else. That's like 22 cents from 280 to $3. That's 20 cents if you're looking for that, but I just wouldn't. It's just too low of a value for me. Right now, I'll stop out of SoFi and I'll just wait for a shift in the market. Shift in the market. If you're on YouTube, welcome, welcome, guys. Just hit that little emoji sign over there for me, that little heart. Pick one, a smiley face, a celebration, a wow face, or 100%. And just keep the channel going. I appreciate it. And also share the live for me. And if you want to join the Zoom link is in the top of the chat up there. It's pinned to the top. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come on over. Join us, man. Be a part of a family that works together and build wealth together. That's what we're trying to do here, together. Together will be great. Nothing in the market now. I would just sit on my hands, wait for stuff to develop here. And as you could see, SoFi, I'm out of SoFi. As we break 780, my stop loss. There she goes. So now I'll wait. I won't get back into SoFi until we come back up there again. It's the same thing. Now it has to come up and fill the gap and break high. And I'll tell you why SoFi that, because of this is happening here. SPY pull back some. So just wait. SPY got to get over 413.80. Okay, now you just wait. Sit back and relax. We could scan, and if anybody see anything, just go ahead and say it so we could look at it. Okay. Welcome everybody on YouTube. Welcome everybody in Zoom. Mark, we make a roll call. Mark, Ruby, Dexter, Tobias, Jonathan, John B. Andre, Kenny, Ruba. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the channel.
Nothing special right now. I'm just waiting for the right time.
That's it. That's it. You got to know when to relax and when not to, right? When to attack the market and when to pause and chill. Right now, there's a pause and chill. Don't force any trades.
Yeah, you're right. My favorite one is QQQ, but I'm too late.
QQQ. Let's see what QQQ is.
My QQQ, my favorite one, is done for today.
Yeah. Yeah, that's okay.
Too late for me.
Tomorrow's another day. Well,
I'm thinking about Tesla right now.
on QQQ, this is what's happening on QQQ right now. There's a gap up, and now it's trying to fill the gap back to the downside.
Yep. I missed the action early morning. I'm thinking Tesla right now is still heading to the downside.
Let's see. This is where you're at now with QQQ, right?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. In the middle here of the almost like what SoFi or Tesla is doing. Right here. Look here. It's 43, 46, 60 here. Okay.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah. So anything below this to the gap fill, that would be a nice trade, right?
Yep.
Break this to the downside, boom. Okay. If it's bounce over here like it did here, again, we're gonna bounce. This is the level you want to fill the gap and then bounce through the VWAP like it did here. 1, 2, right? And then rejected and came right back down. So if I'm gonna look for QQQ, this is where I'll be looking for it to bounce back over the top here, which is right here, right? No matter what it's doing here, if that's something you want to do, if that's your favorite techniques to bounce off and then you get in, that work for you, that's something you could look for at this 347.55, right? Bounce off here, 347.55, take that to the VWAP and straight through. But if I'm going to look for the QQQ to go long, I'm going to treat it just like this at this level here. I'm going to treat it right here, just like what we did at the opening right here, right? I'll wait for that. And I'll get a bigger reward off that because at that point, it's going to be running, right? If that's the case. If that's not the case, then that trade is never going to be, right? Then this is the trade is going to be to the downside or bounce off here and get rejected here again. That's it. Nothing else to the QQQ. Right? Going into the close, we got about another 3 hours to go. So nothing. At times we wait for like 10 minutes to go or the power hour at 3 o'clock to make a move in the market.
Steve, do you do option trading?
No, I don't do options. I used to do it in Robinhood.
Yeah, that's
after I got stuck with GameStop and Robinhood didn't pay out. I stopped doing options.
That's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing like an option trading.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You find it beneficial to you?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I'm trying to take one stocks at a time.
Okay.
Yeah. QQQ, Tesla, SPY, Nvidia, NUV.
Okay.
Yeah, those are my
stock you do options with.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't do options anymore. I find it more gratifying just doing the stocks. CDF, ETFs, you know, some of those. And I don't even do ETFs all the time.
Yeah.
I've known people that's all they do. They just trade the SPY, the NASDAQ. That's it. That's all they do every day.
That's why if I join you and then I suddenly go log out because I'm done for the day, that's the reason why I got my target for the day.
That's it.
But right now I'm still waiting.
Anything can happen. Yeah, absolutely. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Sometime I'll wait 5-10 minutes before the market closes before I make a trade. That's just the way it is. In the channel on WBC. Let's see, I stop us. 161.
Check out CVS.
Stuff out here. WBS. CVS. $67.50.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 67.50 right now.
It's not a cup and handle. That looks like a bowl. It's a coffee bowl. Huge.
Just need some momentum to push it higher. But that's what I see in CVS. To the long side. Say 67, because then VWAP could use as a support. I would have to move it underneath this level here. Right here, for it to go short. Okay. So I would wait to see what it does at 67.
Trying to sell put at 67.50 here. $67.50 to 67.33.
So I see that. I don't see anything else yet. WBC, let's see here. Come up. Go back to the stock pick. SoFi, let's see where SoFi is. If you guys see anything else, just go ahead and say so we can look at it. SoFi got beat up to the downside. That's a no-no. Watch that level coming back up. SoFi is done. So 680. 71.10. That's it. So fine. WBC win that already. NVDA. NVDA. We're still watching our NVDA here. It's lower. Lower lows. There it goes. Trying to find support here. That. Some resistance here. You see this support now on NVIDIA. Now it's resistance. Okay. Now it's resistance by NVIDIA. Okay. And there you go. She finally closed the gap. See it? The gap finally closed down here. All right. So she came down and show you that she could close the gap. Now, does the market change and bring NVIDIA up? Let's look at SPY, what the SPY is doing. Look at, okay, SPY got to break this level here for 1380 to the upside. Okay, SPY got to do that. So NVIDIA to very high. Yeah. NVIDIA. Okay. Needs to break this level here. Tell you when to go in video, not yet. Let it do what it needs to do. We're gonna make big on NVIDIA. Close the gap there. Okay. Right here, for when it get up here, now we could take it from here. So, momentum shift. Made a nice momentum shift here. And then video, okay? Entry here, 410, and we're gonna take it up to 411.50. Okay, anything more than that, we're going into the close. Market is struggling now, though. That was NVIDIA. Let's watch ON. Stock pick of the day. Nothing happening on ON. See? It fell. $68. And now it breaks down even more and seven. 67. 67. Right. It's getting beat up all day today. So that's it. On 1025 in the channel and then finally break down. So nothing is happening in the market right now. I'll just wait, guys. Sit and wait. Be easy. Have something to drink. Have lunch. It's 1 o'clock. So 10%. These stocks here. I'm looking, I'm searching. $52-week low. LRN. 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 38 cents. Slow, no volume. No volume in the market, guys. No volume in the market. If you guys see anything, just go ahead, say it. I don't see anything here. Most active. SoFi is down. Tesla. Ford is down. ICU is down. Amazon is up shortly, and XU. It's under $1. Apple. Mara. It's up $9 at $9. DNE, the one we looked at earlier, up. CHRS. Volume, 12 million. NVIDIA. Superblock. Meta is up. Bank of America is up slightly, a little bit. American Airlines. American Airlines. I fly American Airlines. I should get some more stocks in American Airlines. The decline in American Airlines. And look at this here, guys. American Airlines. Look at American Airlines. Look at this. It's been declining. American Airlines been declining since 7/12. Boom. From 19 all the way to 10. That's cheap for an airline, isn't it? That's pretty cheap. Keep falling. WDC. All right. Let's see where we at on WDC. Okay, here we go. WDC. We're gonna get out of WDC 500. Let's go. It's your time now, WDC. Let's go. 41.61. WDC reversal off the bottom here. One, two, three. Third time is a charm, right? Third time is a charm. So 60. Here we go. Let's go. Stop loss here. It's going to be my last trade of the day. Okay. Stop loss at 41. 60-cent stop loss. Okay.
See you, Steve. I'm out.
Yes, sir. WDC. All right.
Have a good day. Bye.
Yes, sir. See you again tomorrow. Target is the VWAP. Anything over the VWAP, we go then on WDC. Just make sure you have your stop loss in, okay? With a 30-cent stop loss, if you like. We'll put it at the support area here. That's my stop loss here for WDC. Okay? So as we go over EMPH and all these stocks, EMPH, that's what you're going to be looking for. EMPH. Okay. EMPH, we're looking to go long at 78. It's going to be the break. And target. Okay, 80. Okay. Anything on the 76 is just short. Okay. 76, keep it short. That's how that is. Okay. ON. Same thing coming back up. ON. 67, 67.50. Okay. That's what I like to see on ON. All right. Boom. Oh, you want to wait? It's much time to wait for 68. Wait till it come up, break this other at 67.50, wait for that level and wait for 68 to go higher. Just wait for a shift in the market, guys, and all these will work to the upside. If not, just stay low, stay short. ON, NVIDIA, we already spoke on NVIDIA, but we'll go over it. NVIDIA above 408.77. We're looking at that. WBC weighing it and SoFi. SoFi. Above 680 on SoFi. All right, guys. Want to thank everybody for coming in, joining me on YouTube and in the Zoom. Thank you guys so much. Mark, can you drop that for me, please? Day number 208 days. Thank you all guys for coming in.
Stop yelling.
All right.
We just need a little
Shout
metal
out
file.
to everybody in here. Gregster, Kenny, Mark,
Thank you, Steve. Thank you.
Andre,
Hmm?
Joe B, that was here earlier. And everybody that came in and stopped by. I appreciate that. But look for those levels on the return. Okay? Appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.
All right, my brother. Thank you. We appreciate you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Steve.
You're
Have a good
welcome.
one.
Let me see what's going on here in the chat here.
Yeah, hold on one second. Let me put the thank you here.
Yeah. All right. Good. eBay. I didn't see all these in the chat here. The guys were in the chat here chatting it up. I gotta put that to the side here for next time. So I can have what's going on. Mark, you could see the chat, right?
Yeah, when I open it up, I got to open it. Now I see it. The NVT and stuff.
Yeah, NVT, PM. I gotta bring that down next time. Let's look at that. eBay. Look at that before we go to
Yep.
eBay. I can look at all of it. eBay, EBA, why? eBay. Got to break through that 36, 38, 60 over the top. And then VWAP breakdown at 38.40, right? 38.40. All right. SLN. 13 over the top here. Over 13. Looking for 10 cents. It moved 10 cents in front.
SLN.
10 cents. That's would be the target. This would be the entry 13. Select EQYI. We're waiting on that BKYR. BKYR. We're waiting on that. I feel. 120 to the short side on that on PM. 189.20 on PM short. NVT. $47.75 short. All that stuff was good to the upside. Now you look for short.
NVT.
All right, great, sir. Beautiful. I don't see anything else. That's it. Do this again tomorrow. Sit and wait, guys. Look at the SPY, and this would be it. SPY. There go the SPY, 413. There you go. 413.80. That's your target up there. Look for longs. Look for everything we just looked at. All right? And enjoy the rest of your day, guys.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good day. Bless.